Hi guys, it's Miss Isabel, and I just want to say that I hope you guys are all staying safe at home and that I miss you guys all so much. Make sure you guys are washing your hands and keeping all of those germs away, like we taught you guys. Today we're going to be making a little Easter activity because Easter is a Sunday and it's super easy and super simple to make. You don't need a lot of materials. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first let's go over the materials. You don't need much for this activity, so you'll need some construction paper, pink, green, and white. If you don't have construction paper, that's totally fine. You can just use white paper and cut out all the pieces and then color them in whatever pieces they are. You'll need some glue, glue stick, whatever works for you. Some scissors, and you'll need coloring pencils or anything, crayons, markers, pens, whatever you want to decorate your little eggs and to draw in the eyes and the whiskers. And that's all you need. Okay guys, so let's start off with the first step, and that's going to be making the grass part of the bunny. For this, you're just going to need your green construction paper and your writing utensil or whatever you're using to write with. You should end up with something like this in the end, and if you guys don't know how to draw it, you can ask whoever's around you to help you. Then after you guys are done drawing it, cut it out. And if you need help cutting, don't be afraid to ask somebody around you so you can cut out the piece and then move on to the next step. Okay, now you're on the second step, and for this part, we're gonna be making the head of the bunny and the white part of the ears. So for this, you're gonna need your white construction paper or any paper, and then you're gonna need your pencil or marker or whatever you're writing with. You should end up with a shape that looks like this for the head. Make sure if you guys don't know how to draw it to ask somebody around you. And then for the ears, you should end up with one like this. And after you cut out the first one, you can just put it down again on your white paper and trace around it, and you have another ear. So then you guys are gonna have two ears for you guys to use. Okay, so now moving on to the pink parts of the bunny, which are the insides of the ears and the nose. You're gonna want to use your pink construction paper and what you're gonna write with, and I'm gonna show you guys how to exactly get the pink part so that they fit inside of the white ears that you drew. Okay, so when you guys are drawing your pink part of the bunny ear, you want to take the first bunny ear that you drew and you're gonna set it down. You're gonna trace around it. You're gonna go ahead and draw inside of it. You're gonna draw a little smaller circle so you cut it out. So once you drew the inside part, you're gonna cut around the second black line that you drew so you have the pink part to put inside of your white ear. Okay, so now you guys should have this part of it. It's the pink part of the ear, and it's gonna go inside of the white ear like this. Once you guys have one, you guys can go ahead and set this one down back on your pink paper and trace it, and then you guys have another pink ear to put inside of the white one that you drew. Okay, so the other pink part of your bunny is your bunny's nose, and for that you're just gonna draw a triangle and then you're gonna cut it out and put it aside for when we glue later. Okay, so now we're on the last step of cutting, and for this we're just gonna need to make our eggs, which are just two circles. You're gonna need your white construction paper for this, and you're just gonna draw two circles and then cut them out. They don't have to be exactly the same, and then put them aside, and then we're gonna start gluing. So before we move on to gluing, once you guys have your little circles, you guys can go ahead and decorate them however you want. They're gonna be your little eggs that go on the side of the grass. And for mine, I just did polka dots and designs on this one, and you guys can decorate your eggs however you want. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the gluing part, and for this you're gonna need your piece of grass and the bunny's head, and you're gonna want to take some of your glue and put it at the bottom. Then you're gonna take your bunny's head and stick it to the back of the grass, and then you're gonna have your bunny's head sticking out of the grass. So now we're gonna move on to the ears, and you're gonna take the pink part that you cut out of the ear, put some glue on the back of it, stick it onto the white part so you can still see a little bit, and there you have it, your ear. Okay, so now you should have both of your bunny ears, and you should be ready to glue them onto your bunny. So when you glue them on, you're gonna take a little bit of glue, put it at the bottom, and then stick it behind your bunny's head. Then you're gonna do the same thing for the other one and stick it behind so you have both of your bunny ears. Okay, so now your bunny should look like this, and you should be ready to glue down the nose of your bunny, and that's gonna go right in the middle right here. So just put some glue on the back and then glue it on. So now your bunny should look like this, and you should be ready to take your eggs and glue them here. So you're just gonna take some glue, put it on the back of your egg, and then glue it to the side pieces of the grass. Okay, so now you guys have your two little eggs. Your guys' should be really nice and decorated, but mine are just plain. My other one has them decorated. Now you're ready to draw the eyes and the whiskers. So I'm gonna take a black colored pencil. You can use anything. Draw two circles and then draw some lines that come out of the bunny's nose, and then you're done with the drawing part. Okay, so now you guys are all done and you have your Easter bunny ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed making this craft, and just know that we miss you guys so much and you guys are staying safe at home, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye!